Prediabetes is a serious health condition where blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough yet to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. It is a critical moment when making positive lifestyle changes can reverse the condition and prevent the progression. In this video, we'll reveal the top 12 foods that can help you beat prediabetes faster. We'll show you easy-to-find foods that are packed with nutrients and can lower your blood sugar, make insulin work better, and keep you healthy. Number 1. Leafy Greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard offer an abundance of essential nutrients that contribute to reversing prediabetes quickly. These vegetables are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber, calcium, and magnesium. Their high fiber content aids in regulating blood sugar levels and preventing sudden spikes, while their low-calorie nature supports weight management. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including diabetes. Whether cooked, sautéed, or added to salads and smoothies, leafy greens provide a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Number 2. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries bring a burst of flavor to the table while offering numerous health benefits for prediabetes reversal. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, berries help combat inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and regulate blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content slows down the digestion process, preventing rapid glucose absorption and maintaining stable blood glucose levels. Berries also have a lower glycemic index compared to many other fruits, which means they have a milder impact on blood sugar levels. Enjoy them fresh, add them to smoothies, or sprinkle them over oatmeal or yogurt for a delicious and nutritious way to manage prediabetes. Number 3. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their bran and germ layers, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The high fiber content not only aids in regulating blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity, but also promotes satiety and digestive health. Whole grains have a lower glycemic index, meaning they raise blood sugar levels more gradually and provide sustained energy. Swap refined grains for whole grains in your meals, such as opting for whole wheat bread, brown rice, and whole grain pasta to support prediabetes management and overall health. Number 4. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet, such as those found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish, can help reverse prediabetes more effectively. These fats provide a feeling of satiety, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They aid in regulating blood sugar levels, reducing insulin resistance, and maintaining heart health. Avocados offer a unique combination of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants, known to improve insulin sensitivity and support weight management. Fatty fish such as salmon, trout, and mackerel contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and the risk of heart disease. Before we proceed to the next surprising food, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Lean proteins. Including lean proteins in your diet, such as chicken, turkey, fish, low-fat dairy products, and legumes, can be highly beneficial for managing prediabetes. Proteins play a crucial role in supporting muscle growth, repairing tissues, and providing a feeling of fullness. When consumed in combination with carbohydrates, proteins slow down the digestion process and prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Fish, like salmon and tuna, provide omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Beans and lentils are excellent plant-based protein sources that are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Choose lean cuts of meat and skinless poultry, and incorporate legumes into your meals to reap the benefits of lean proteins for prediabetes management. Number 6. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas, are highly nutritious and versatile foods that offer an array of health benefits for prediabetes reversal. These plant-based protein sources are not only rich in essential amino acids, but also high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber content in legumes helps regulate blood sugar levels, improve satiety, and support a healthy digestive system. Legumes have a relatively low glycemic index and can help in managing blood glucose levels effectively. Moreover, they are considered an economical and sustainable alternative to animal protein sources. Incorporate legumes into soups, stews, salads, and side dishes for a wholesome and satisfying meal. Chickpeas can be used to make delicious hummus or added to salads, while lentils are versatile and can be used in various dishes, including soups and curries. Black beans are a great addition to salads, burritos, or even blended into savory dips. Number 7. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, a fragrant spice derived from the bark of trees, not only adds warmth and flavor to dishes, but also offers potential benefits for prediabetes reversal. It contains bioactive compounds that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Cinnamon also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to overall health and well-being. Incorporate cinnamon into your diet by adding it to oatmeal, smoothies, yogurt, or sprinkling it on fruits for a tasty and nutritious boost. While it may not replace medication or lifestyle changes, cinnamon can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet for individuals with prediabetes. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage worldwide that offers numerous health benefits, including potential advantages for managing prediabetes. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which have been linked to improve insulin sensitivity and reduced blood sugar levels. Green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties and may contribute to weight management, both of which are important factors in prediabetes management. Enjoy green tea as a refreshing hot or iced beverage throughout the day, and consider it a healthy alternative to sugary beverages for hydration and potential prediabetes support. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic, a pungent herb widely used in culinary traditions, not only adds flavor to dishes, but also offers potential benefits for prediabetes management. It contains compounds like allicin that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Garlic also boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which contribute to overall health. Incorporate garlic into your meals by adding it to stir-fries, roasted vegetables, sauces, and dressings. While it can be a flavorful addition to your dishes, it is essential to note that individual results may vary, and it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary recommendations. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, including its impact on blood sugar control. It has been found to help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. Additionally, it may help increase feelings of fullness and aid in weight management. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet, dilute 1 or 2 tablespoons in water and drink it before meals or use it as a salad dressing. Number 11. Turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice widely used in traditional cooking and known for its potential health benefits. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and research suggests it may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Incorporate turmeric into your meals by adding it to curries, rice dishes, roasted vegetables, soups, or golden milk. Combining turmeric with black pepper can enhance its absorption in the body. Number 12. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy and tangy dairy product that provides a range of health benefits for prediabetes management. It is rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics which support gut health. The protein content helps increase feelings of fullness, regulate blood sugar levels, and support muscle maintenance. Probiotics present in Greek yogurt improve gut health and may contribute to better metabolic function. Opt for plain Greek yogurt or those with minimal added sugars to keep the overall sugar content in check. Enjoy it as a snack, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for dips and dressings. What other foods are good for reversing prediabetes? Let us know your answers in the comments, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.